Hi everyone, it's Rachael Smith with Remax and Big Bear, and
Hi!
Addie Smith. Come check out this great listing in Lower Moonridge with us. Okay, so here we are from the street, 42721 Cedar, and we're going to be looking at a two bed, one bath, 1,024 square foot, 5,000 square foot lot, and a 2-car garage. We may or may not get into the garage. We shall see. So property lines can be right here at the fence line, and it's a little bright, but you can kind of see we're at Lower Moonridge. So Moonridge Road, it's going to be about 4 streets that way. We've got the zoo right down at the end of the street. Also, if you go to the end of the street and go up about 1.5 miles, you will hit Bear Mountain. That is Addie. Not sure what she's doing. Okay, so here we are, nice treed pine trees on the property, and you can tell that they've just recently done their landscaping to it too. I would say property lines probably going to be right around where this pole is right here. There is a fence that defines it too. This one is listed with Giselle, that is with Berkshire Hathaway. Nice little Big Bear balloon. And so coming in, we're gonna have tons of parking here. So you could do RV, boat parking, anything like that. You've got enough for 4 cars deep right here. Another spot right here if you wanted to, although you've got this curb right here you'd have to get over. But it's nicely graded, super clean. And so what we're looking at today is, I'd say a little bit of a fixer-upper. It's really cool because it's like a time capsule. So not too much has been touched on the inside, which I think is really hard to come by. A little bit of work needed on the deck with the pillars right here. The pillar is kind of falling apart right here. But let's kind of start coming up here, a little brick walkway. And here you'll see the deck, and what I mean by like a little bit of deck work. If you were going to rent it, you would have to put something here just so that kids can't climb up and over. And then finishing off a little bit where the deck was taken off right there. So really for rental, they want vertical slats so that you cannot get your foot there. As far as the roof goes, I would say probably on its last part of life. It's starting to kind of space apart. We've also got gutters on the home, and then we have, it looks like it has been painted right here, like a primer, and then up here it has not been touched in a while. But really cute, quiet neighborhood. All of the surrounding houses are in really well-kept shape. And then, Addie, do you know what kind of construction this is? What they call this style of a home that looks like a barn? Let me back up.
Me don't.
This is called a gambrel.
A gambrel.
A gambrel.
A gambrel.
All right, so coming in at the entry, we have a 1970s vibe to it. So first and foremost, we come in and we've got a really cool vinyl flooring, followed by a matching shag rug with like orange, red, black, blue, navy, yeah, maybe. In excellent shape, like not a stain on this carpet. It doesn't even barely look like anybody's ever really walked on it, which is kind of neat. Really neat furniture. Just a fun place. So one thing to note is they do have that cedar siding on the walls, which is really beautiful. It feels like it's been kind of like primed almost. It's got like a matted feel to it. And then here we do have single pane windows too. So coming this direction, we've got a rock fireplace with a live edge mantle right here. Again, like a natural matted wood. We do have a gas fireplace here. This one's actually really interesting because it's got these pipes that shoot the heat back out into the room. So I'd like to know how efficient that is, because I had a fireplace like this back in a past life and it was not that warm, but that actually seems like it would do a great thing for the house. Large beams, probably about 7-foot ceilings in here. Let me just back up here. We've got, so this direction is going to be the bathroom, the stairs going up to the 2 bedrooms. This one's going to be the kitchen over here. So we do have this wall that's like wood and mirrored back here. And then we've got a closet. This is kind of fun. It maybe used to be a rental. Balboa's Hideaway. Kind of instruction manual for the house. And then here we have access to the side porch, which is where we just were. And then coming into the kitchen, check this out. This is a very high quality wallpaper. It's like a napkin, kind of like handkerchief look, all the way around in excellent shape. And look at this matching drapery.
So beautiful.
That is really cool. I love that chandelier. So here we are coming into the kitchen. Got a full-size fridge, microwave, kind of a vintage stove and oven. Probably still works. Those are real. And then a Formica countertop and dual sink as well. So I'm going to take you outside at the very end. Let's finish the rest of the house first. So as far as distance is the thing, you're about 1.5 miles to Bear Mountain. You're about 1.5 miles to Snow Summit. You're about 1.5 miles to the grocery stores, and maybe about 2 miles to Big Bear Lake. So here we have a cabinet, and pardon me because all the lights are not really working very well. Oh, I found the switch. Look at that. Okay. Water heater is blanketed. It does look old. This probably could use to be replaced. And if it were me, I vote tankless. Tankless is amazing, especially if you have a rental. And great storage. You could also probably put laundry here if you took this out. So here we are in the bathroom. Check this out. You've got the same wallpaper as in the kitchen, but look at the wallpaper on the ceiling. That is so vintage. Really cool. Love it. And this is cast iron sink, wood cabinetry with, look at this, a built-in paper towel holder. Or maybe that's a towel holder. And toilet paper holder. That's really cute. And then let's check out what the tub looks like. Looks like we've got a cast iron tub. Yep, very clean. Super clean. And just like a paneled wall right there too. But check this out. This is beautiful. Kind of see back there. And the door too. All right, so let's go upstairs. We've got that carpet from downstairs that is the same as up here. And so I haven't seen it yet. Go here first, left. Okay, so we've got bedroom, closet, bedroom. So Addie wanted to show this room first. Very cute. I'm not sure if, maybe they staged it a little bit because they did such an excellent job. It is very cute. I love the vintage part of it. So the closet, kind of unfinished. You could put some closet doors on here. Mirrored closet doors. right here. And the old fire escape ladder. Addie, do you know why you have a fire escape ladder up here?
So that if there's a fire, you can get out the window.
Good job. This is a queen size bed. You could easily get a couple end tables. And then each room has their own little wall heater. And then let's see, kind of just an attic closet right there. And then check out the vibe in here. This is really cute. Again, I think they kind of staged it a little bit. It's adorable. Love this coat rack and the light. These are really cute. And then here's a queen. Maybe that's a full-size bed. It's probably a full. Nice dressers too.
It's very prettiful.
Prettiful?
Yeah. It's pretty
Means
beautiful.
pretty and beautiful. Although it sounds not.
Prettiful.
It sounds like another thing. This is cute how they decorated that. All right. And then we will go downstairs to finish up outside. Hopefully I don't fall. And you could walk to the new kind of downtown area of Moonridge as well and get to Dank Donuts from here. And so here is the garage. I do not see the ability to get in there because they have it locked. But one thing that I do note is you do have a very large lip right here to get up and into that garage. So I do know there is a boat inside, but you're probably going to have some sort of a ramp that you're going to be able to get up on top of. This is like a little wood shed area right here. It's kind of dirt back here. I'm going to kind of poke in here and just see if you can see in here, which I can. You can kind of see the boat in there. And it is not finished off inside, but it is a very large, oversized 2-car garage. All right. And of course you hear the birds chirping. A little shed back here, but that I would probably tear down just because it's in the dirt back here, and I think you're gonna see some termites. Oh, look at that bird yelling at us on the fence. Listen to him. What do you think they're saying to each other?
Intruder, intruder.
I think they're saying, somebody's looking at the house. Somebody's looking at the house.
Somebody's about to sell the house.
Okay, let us
Somebody's
know
gonna buy it.
if you want to take a look. Talk to you soon. Bye.
Adios.